Hey guys, we received this Anehono Tabletop soccer games for kids for test and try mini foosball desktop soccer shootout game with dual controls. So here you can see like the parts. So a lot of stuff is provided with the nice stickers that you can use with a nice quality plastic board. So you have to just join these two together. So hooks and things are provided, and then these are the handles. So now the things are, these handles are color coded, but I switch the color just to be a more realistic. But the things like this orange should go to orange, but I put it in the red side just to give a little contrast. But of course you can put it in a right way. And these are the stadium for the sides that you can put the scoring board, the blue one, and then the extra balls on the other side. So it's nice to assemble, and of course like nice looking football show game for the tabletop game. So the total length is around 21.6 inches and width is around 12.2 inches, with the height can go up to 5.5 inches. So there is a board and the other accessories. They are the Lego set to make the players or the audience. So these are the posts, as you can see it here. So they have the four flippers and dual control handles that I will show you, and the sloped field design keeps the ball rolling smoothly. So as you can see in the middle, it can go either side, and the balls are of nice. So this is how I'm assembling it as quickly as I can with the side glows or the the flag thing, whatever you want to put. And then these are the counter that with the goal that you have to turn it manually. So they have the goal bell, they have the scoreboard, ball storage, and 8 figurines. So see like how this is moving. So nice moving with the dual control means this each control have two sides, so two rotors for flapping action. So the flags and of course the stickers are provided, so you can decorate the way you want. So great gift for the kids, and of course the adults can also play, but great for the kids to play with. And then you can set this up. So these are the Legos type figurines that you can assemble to make your style figurines to work with it. So as you can see, so this like kids have a multiple fun in one game, means they have to assemble the whole product, they have to assemble this Lego set. For the players, they have to set their own stickers and things to have fun, and of course they can finally play the foosball or the soccer ball game. It's a great thing overall. Like I will just try to make one or two so that I can show you how to make, and it's you can easily see that thing. So now the kids are playing, and you can see that they have this scoreboard where they can turn it for the goals, and the other side is have the extra balls. The soccer field looks really great, and you can see that the balls are hit really hard, so it can easily go. Once ever it hit the other's side, there is a bell ring. So nice effect. So they really move nice, and of course the kids require some time to learn, and then they really like to enjoy this game. In the close-up thing, you can easily see that how the ball is moving, and they have the dual control for the flippers. So great fun, and it's a really great game for the kids with the players and everything. That looks, you can see the figurines that we assembled with the flags that we are putting, and then the nice ring bell, you see like small the metal part. So this is the bell, whichever they hit it will give you a sound that the goal is done. I really like this setup and the game, and it's a great fun for the kids, even for the adults, because they can also play, and these handles are really easy to grip and hold. So great fun overall, and hope this helps a lot in your buying decision. But I will really recommend this game for the kids to play on the tabletop, and as a nice soccer game for the kids, non hurting and really like fun for the kids.